Audio Jungle. This video is sponsored by Premises, a company that lets your ideas come to life through system development.
Let us start building the index page. We start by adding a template. We link the template to the CSS file, and within the body tags we create a wrapper. The wrapper will contain each portion of the grid. So we create a top banner, a navigation, a content, and finally a bottom bar. For better visibility, we will add also a text with the same content as the div itself. Let us build up the main CSS file. We start by adding pink to the background to secure that we are working on the correct file. We add a wrapper, indicating that we're going to work with a grid layout. We add a grid template, which shows us the layout structure. We add it to 100%, 100 pixels height, and the navigation and content share the white. We add a bottom banner with 100 pixels height, and we have 2 units of width, so we have 20% for the left side and 1 frame unit for the right side. We continue to create the titles corresponding to the PHP div files. We add the grid area, which is a way of connecting everything together. And finally, we add the bottom banner, and some layout that is controlled centrally and affects several divs. Color background white, a padding. We continue adding background color to each respective div. Let us check the result. We now have colored areas, which indicates the layout. We can change the width and we can change the height. As you will see, we can also shorten and make the width longer by dragging the squared box. So this is a way we can take total control of our layout